Hey, just putting a route in for a kill switch on one of the Holy Strats, or soon to be called, probably from now on, SkeleCaster guitars. I already drilled the pilot hole. Wasn't even going to film it, but hey, you know, I'm a ham. So let's see what happens here. Hopefully I got this all set correctly and don't screw this template up. We'll see. What's that hitting on? Okay, anyway. Okay, just have to adjust a bit and go down lower in the hole. I'm thinking it might be easier just to take the template off now and do the rest from there. GoPro, stop recording. Alright, I took the template off so I can get more depth down in for the route for the kill switch. In total, it's got to be, with the template, 40.5 millimeters. We're not really even close yet, so I'm not even going to measure. Had another ½ inch to go. Okay, gonna have to do the rest now. Get the rest of the depth by dropping the bit down in the collet a bit. Gonna go like a 1/4, 1/8 inch at a time. Better not to rush this. More passes, but less chance of it getting screwed up. Getting there. Another roughly 1/4 inch. Alright, getting close. About another 1/4 inch to go depth wise on this route for a EMG Kill Switch. Let's see what that looks like. That'll take another 1/8 off. And about an eighth to go. Drop the bit down once again. Might be like a 1/16 short. That's okay. Like I said, less work for the router if you go a little bit by a time, and less chance of it screwing up. Very, very close. Very, very close. Now this does not have to go all the way down. Actually, it's probably better that I don't. So I may leave a 1/16 or so on the bottom. I may. That's barely going to take anything. There you go, a little bit more. Now that looks pretty darn good. And that is very good. Let me dump this sawdust out here. And there we go. One kill switch hole ready to go. So this body is ready for final sanding, staining, and that. GoPro, stop recording.